Hello, welcome to our channel Learn to Score. In this video, I am going to solve exercise 3 of linear equations in one variable chapter of 8th class maths. I hope you will like the video. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Thank you. Question number 1 is solve the following equations. We are given total 14 equations. We are asked to solve each of these equations, right? Let us start with first equation, that is 7x minus 5 equal to 2x, right? When you observe this equation, the variable x is there on both the sides and it is a linear equation because the degree of this equation is 1, right? It is a linear equation having variable on both the sides, right? Let us solve this. To solve this, what we are going to do is we are going to bring terms containing variables onto one side and constants to the other side of the equation, right? Here we have term containing x and another term containing x, right? Let's bring these two onto one side and bring constants to the other side of the equation, right? For that, what we do is we transpose 2x to the left hand side of the equation. When I do that, the equation can be written as 7x minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0, right? 7x minus 2x can be written as 7 minus 2 times x, right? And you subtract minus 5 from that so that it is equal to 0. 7x minus 2x is 5x. So the equation is now written as 5x minus 5 equal to 0, right? Now let me transpose minus 5, this minus 5 to the other side. When you do that, it is going to become plus 5, right? So the equation now becomes 5x equal to 5. This 5 is multiplying x, right? In order to get the value of x, we want to transpose this 5 to the other side. When you do that, it is going to divide, right? Let's transpose 5 to the RHS. When I do that, it is going to divide the 5 on the other side. That's why it is going to be 5 by 5, that is equal to 1, right? We got x equal to 1 as the solution to the given equation, right? Let us check the correctness of the solution. To verify the correctness of the solution, what we do is we substitute 1, x equal to 1 into LHS. LHS is 7x minus 5, right? So let's substitute x equal to 1 so that it can be written as 7 times 1 minus 5, right? That is 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. Now let us find the value of RHS. RHS is 2x. It means it is 2 times 1, that is equal to 2. Look at this. Value of RHS is equal to value of LHS. That's why we say that x equal to 1 is the solution to the given equation and the solution is verified, right? Let us look at next problem, that is 5x minus 12 equal to 2x minus 6, right? This is also a linear equation in one variable having the variable on both the sides, right? Let us solve this. To solve this, what we do is we bring all the terms containing variables to the one side and constant to the other side. It means I want to have 5x and 2x on one side and 12 and 6 on other side, right? Let's do that. For that, let me transpose 2x, this 2x to the other side. When I do that, I'll write it as 5x minus 12 and this is minus 2x, right? Here it is plus 2x. That's why when you transpose to the other side, it becomes minus 2x. Now let me rearrange this equation such that I can write it as 5x minus 2x minus 12 equal to minus 6, right? We know 5x minus 2x equal to 3x. That's why the equation becomes 3x minus 12 equal to minus 6, right? Now, this is a linear equation. It has got variable on one side. Now, to solve this, I want to transpose minus 12 to the other side. When I do that, it is going to become plus 12, right? So I can write the equation as 3x equal to minus 6 plus 12. So when you simplify it, you get 3x equal to 6, right? Minus 6 plus 12 is 6. Now look at this equation. 3 is multiplying x. We want to find the value of x, right? So since 3 is multiplying, we want to take 3 to the other side, or in other words, you can say that we are transposing 3 to the other side. When you do that, it is going to divide number 6 on the other side, right? So let me write that x equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. X equal to 2 is the solution to the given equation. Now let's verify this. To verify this, what we do is we substitute 2 in the LHS first and find the value of LHS. 5x minus 12 is the LHS, right? When you substitute x equal to 2 here, it becomes 5 times 2 minus 12, that is 10 minus 12, that is equal to minus 2, right? Now what is RHS? 2x minus 6. Let's find value of 2x minus 6 when x equal to 2. So 2x minus 6 can be written as 2 times 2 minus 6, right? That is equal to 4 minus 6, that is equal to minus 2. Now look at this. Value of LHS is minus 2 and value of RHS is also minus 2, right? When the values of both LHS and RHS are equal, it means x equal to 2 is satisfying the given equation. That's why x equal to 2 is called the solution to the given equation. Got it? Now let's look at third problem, that is 7p minus 3 equal to 3p plus 8. It is also a linear equation in one variable with variables on both the sides of the equation. To solve this, first what we do is we bring the terms containing variables to one side and constants to the other side. To do that, let me transpose this 3p onto the other side. When you do that, it becomes minus 3p, right? Let me write it. 7p minus 3 minus 3p equal to 8. Right? Now let me rearrange this equation such that I can write it as 7p minus 3p minus 3 equal to 8. 7p minus 3p is 4p, right? Now let me write the equation. 4p minus 3 equal to 8. This is a linear equation in one variable with variable on one side, right? Now, to solve this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to transpose this minus 3 to the other side. When I do that, it becomes plus 3. It means 4p equal to 8 plus 3, right? I can write it as 4p equal to 11. This is the equation. Now I want to simplify this further so that I'll get the value of p, right? To do that, I'm going to transpose 4 to the other side. Since 4 is multiplying p here, it is going to divide 11 on the other side. So let's write that. When you transpose 4 to the RHS, the equation becomes p equal to 11 by 4, right? To answer the question, p equal to 11 by 4 is the solution to the given equation 7p minus 3 equal to 3p plus 8. Got it? Let's look at the next problem, that is fourth. 8m plus 9 equal to 7m plus 8, right? To solve this, let's first bring the terms containing variables to one side and the constants to the other side, right? To do that, I can take 7m onto the other side. When you transpose, it becomes minus 7m. So let's write that. 8m plus 9 is already LHS and this is the transposed 7m, right? That is equal to 8. Now let me rearrange this such that I can write it as 8m minus 7m plus 9 equal to 8. 8m minus 7m is m. So I can write the equation as m plus 9 equal to 8. Now let me transpose this plus 9 to the other side. When you do that, the equation becomes m equal to 8 minus 9, right? It means m equal to minus 1. M equal to minus 1 is the solution to the given equation. Got it? Now let's look at the next problem, that is 7z plus 13 equal to 2z plus 4, right? To solve this, we want to bring the terms containing variables to one side and constant to the other side of the equation, right? Now, I can transpose 2z to the other side. When I do that, the equation can be written as 7z plus 13, it is written as is, and 2z, when it is transposed to other side, it becomes minus 2z, right? So the equation now becomes 7z plus 13 minus 2z equal to 4. Let's rearrange this equation such that I can write it as 7z minus 2z plus 13 equal to 4, right? 7z minus 2z is 5z. 5z plus 13 equal to 4, right? It is a linear equation in one variable with variable on one side, right? Now, to solve this, let's transpose this plus 13 to the other side. When you do that, the equation becomes 5z equal to 4 minus 13, right? We know 4 minus 13 is minus 9. So 5z equal to minus 9. Now to get the value of z, we have to transpose 5 to the other side, right? When you do that, it is going to divide minus 9. So z equal to minus 9 by 5 is the answer we are looking for, right? So z equal to minus 9 by 5 is the solution to the equation 7z plus 13 equal to 2z plus 4. Got it? Now let's look at the next problem, that is 9y plus 5 equal to 15y minus 1, right? To solve this, let's bring terms containing variables to one side and the constants to the other side. To do that, I can take this 15y to this side, that is one option, or otherwise I can bring this 9y to the other side. You know, for all the problems we can do that way. Till now I have not mentioned, but one can do that way, right? Now let me transpose 9y to RHS because 9y is small. We can do that way. When you transpose it, I can write the equation as 5 equal to 15y minus 1, that is RHS, and 9y plus 9y becomes minus 9y, right? Now the equation you have is 5 equal to 15y minus 1 minus 9y, right? Let me rearrange this equation such that I can write it as 5 equal to 15y minus 9y minus 1, right? 15y minus 9y is 6y. That's why we can write the equation as 5 equal to 6y minus 1. Now I can transpose this minus 1 to the other side. When I do that, it becomes plus 1, right? Now I can write 5 plus 1 equal to 6y, right? I can write it as 6 equal to 6y or 6y equal to 6. Both the ways is fine, right? I can write it as 6 equal to 6y or 6y equal to 6. Both are equally valid. So I have written 6y equal to 6, and let me now transpose 6 to the other side. When you do that, the equation becomes y equal to 6 by 6, that is equal to 1, right? To answer the question, y equal to 1 is the solution to the equation 9y plus 5 equal to 15y minus 1. Got it? The next question is seventh problem, that is 3x plus 4 equal to 5 times x minus 2, right? Let me first expand this. This can be written as 5 times x, 5x, minus 5 times 2, 10, right? Let's write that. 3x plus 4 equal to 5x minus 10, right? This is the linear equation in one variable with variable on both the sides, right? Now let's solve this. To solve this, we have to bring the terms containing variables onto one side and constants to the other side, right? Let's do that. As I said earlier, we can transpose 3x to the right hand side or 5x to the left hand side, doesn't matter, right? Let me transpose 5x to LHS. When I do that, the equation can be written as 3x plus 4 written as is, right? And minus 5x is written because plus 5x is getting transposed. That is equal to minus 10, right? Now let me rearrange this equation so that I can write it as 3x minus 5x plus 4 equal to minus 10. 3x minus 5x is minus 2x, right? Minus 2x plus 4 equal to minus 10. This is the linear equation. Now let me transpose plus 4 to the other side. When you do that, it becomes minus 4. So minus 2x equal to minus 10 minus 4, right? That is equal to minus 14. Let me write that. Minus 2x equal to minus 14. So I can now transpose this minus 2 to the other side. When I do that, it is going to divide minus 14, right? Let's write that. When you transpose minus 2 to other side, the equation becomes x equal to minus 14 divided by minus 2, right? I can cancel this minus and this minus first, so that I can write it as 14 by 2, that is equal to 7, right? So to answer the question, x equal to 7 is the solution to the equation 3x plus 4 equal to 5 times x minus 2. Got it? The next problem is 3 times t minus 3 equal to 5 times 2t minus 1, right? Let us first expand both the sides. 3 times t minus 3 can be written as 3t minus 9, right? 3 times t is 3t and 3 times minus 3 is minus 9, right? When it comes to right hand side, 5 times 2t is 10t and 5 times minus 1 is minus 5, right? Let's write that. 3t minus 9 equal to 10t minus 5, right? Let us solve this equation by bringing the terms containing variables to one side and the terms which are constants to the other side. To do that, I can transpose 10t to this side or 3t to this side, right? Let me transpose 3t to RHS. When I do that, it is going to be minus 3t, right? The equation now can be written as minus 9 equal to 10t minus 5, that is RHS as is written, and minus 3t. Now let me rearrange this equation such that I can write it as 10t minus 3t minus 5 equal to minus 9. You see, I have shuffled RHS and LHS. As long as the equality is maintained, it is fine. Here it is 10t, we have 10t here, and minus 5 here, minus 3t and minus 3t here, right? And minus 9 is there and minus 9 is there. So both the equations are identical, right? We just change the order and we have written RHS as LHS and LHS as RHS. Doesn't matter as long as the terms and their signs are taken care. Okay, now let me see. 10t minus 3t is 7t, right? So the equation becomes 7t minus 5 equal to minus 9, right? Now let us transpose minus 5 to the other side so that the equation becomes 7t equal to minus 9 plus 5, right? So simplify this such that you can write it as 7t equal to minus 4. Now let me transpose this 7 to the other side. When I do that, the equation now can be written as t equal to minus 4 by 7. So to answer the question, t equal to minus 4 by 7 is the solution to the given equation 3 times t minus 3 equal to 5 times 2t minus 1, right? Let's look at the next problem, that is 5 times p minus 3 equal to 3 times p minus 2. Let us expand LHS first. 5 times p is 5p and 5 times 3 is 15. So 5 times minus 3 is minus 15, right? Similarly here this is 3p and this is minus 6. So let's write that. 5p minus 15 equal to 3p minus 6, right? Let us now bring the terms containing variable to one side and constants to the other side. For that I can take 3p to LHS, right? When I do that, the equation now can be written as 5p minus 15 minus 3p equal to minus 6. Let me rearrange such that I can write it as 5p minus 3p minus 15 equal to minus 6. 5p minus 3p is 2p, right? 2p minus 15 equal to 6, is minus 6, right? Now let me transpose minus 15 to the other side. When I do that, it is going to be plus 15. So I can write the equation as 2p equal to minus 6 plus 15, right? So I can write now 2p equal to 9. Minus 6 plus 15 is 9, right? Now let me transpose these two. When I do that, it is going to divide number 9. So P equal to 9 by 2. So to answer the question, P equal to 9 by 2 is the solution to the given equation, right? Let us look at the next problem, that is 10th problem. 5z, 5 times z plus 3 equal to 4 times 2z plus 1. We want to solve this equation. First, let me expand LHS and RHS such that I can write it as 5 times z equal to 5z and 5 times plus 3 is plus 15, right? That is equal to 4 times 2z is 8z and 4 times plus 1 equal to plus 4, right? Now we want to solve this equation by bringing terms containing variables to one side and constants to the other side, right? For that, let me take this 5z to the other side, or otherwise I can take even 8z to this side, right? Let us transpose 8z to LHS. When I do that, the equation can be written as 5z plus 15 minus 8z equal to 4, right? Now let me rearrange this equation such that I can write it as 5z minus 8z plus 15 equal to 4. We know 5z minus 8z is minus 3z, right? Minus 3z plus 15 equal to 4 is the new equation. Now I can transpose this plus 15 to the other side. When I do that, it becomes minus 15. So the equation now becomes minus 3z equal to 4 minus 15, right? So we know 4 minus 15 is minus 11, right? Minus 3z equal to minus 11 is the new equation you have. Now I can transpose this minus 3 to the other side. When I do that, the equation can be written as z equal to minus 11 divided by minus 3, right? I can cancel this minus and this minus symbol so that I'll have z equal to 11 by 3 as the answer. Z equal to 11 by 3 is the solution to the given equation. Got it? The next problem is 15 times x minus 1 plus 4 times x plus 3 equal to 2 times 7 plus x. Let's start writing this in expanded form. 15 times x is 15x and 15 times minus 1 is minus 15, right? 4 times x is 4x and 4 times plus 3 is plus 12, right? Here we have plus sign, that's why I have plus sign here also. Now 2 times 7 is 14 and 2 times x is 2x, right? And we keep plus sign as is. Now you have the equation like this. Let me rearrange it further such that I can write it as 15x plus 4x. These two I have written together and minus 15 plus 12 written together. Got it? That is equal to 14 plus 2x. 15x plus 4x, I can write it as 19x, right? And minus 15 plus 12 is minus 3. That is equal to 14 plus 2x. Now, let us solve this equation. For that, I am going to transpose 2x plus 2x to the other side. When I do that, the equation now becomes 19x minus 3 minus 2x equal to 14, right? Let me rearrange this part of the equation such that I can write it as 19x minus 2x minus 3 equal to 14, right? 19x minus 2x is 17x, right? So the equation now becomes 17x minus 3 equal to 14, right? I can transpose minus 3 to the other side. When I do that, it becomes plus 3. So 17x equal to 14 plus 3, it means 17x equal to 17. I can transpose this 17 to the other side such that I can write it as x equal to 17 by 17, that is equal to 1, right? So x equal to 1 is the solution to the given equation. Got it? The next problem is 12th problem, that is 3 times 5z minus 7 plus 2 times 9z minus 11 equal to 4 times 8z minus 7 minus 111, right? Now let's expand term by term so that I can write the equation as 3 times 5z equal to 15z and 3 times minus 7 is minus 21 and put this plus here. Then 2 times 9z is 18z and 2 times minus 11 is minus 22. right? That is equal to 4 times 8z is 32z, and 4 times minus 7 is minus 28, and then write minus 111 as is. Now we can rearrange this equation, right? Let me rearrange it. 15z plus 18z minus 21 minus 22, right? That is equal to 32z minus 28 minus 111, right? Now let's simplify this equation such that I can write it as 15 plus 18z as 33z minus 21 minus 23, sorry, minus 22 is equal to minus 43, right? 32z is written as is, and minus 28 minus 111 is equal to minus 139. This is a linear equation in one variable with variable on both the sides, right? Let us solve this by bringing terms containing variable to one side and the constant to the other side. For that, I can bring this 32z to LHS, right? When I do that, the equation becomes 33z minus 43 minus 32z equal to minus 139, right? Let me rearrange LHS of this equation such that I can write it as 33z minus 32z minus 43 equal to minus 139. This is 1z, right? The difference between these two is 1z. Let me write that. Z minus 43 equal to 139, right? Now I can transpose this minus 43 to the other side. When I do that, the equation becomes z equal to minus 139 plus 43, right? When you simplify it, you get z equal to minus 96. Got it? So the solution to the given equation is z equal to minus 96. Got it? The next problem is 8 times x minus 3 minus 1 times 6 minus 2x equal to 2 times x plus 2 minus 5 times 5 minus x, right? Let us first expand this equation and write it, right? 8 times x is 8x, right? 8 times minus 3 is minus 24, and minus 1 times 6 is minus 6, and minus 1 times minus 2x is plus 2x, right? Now 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 2 is 4, and minus 5 times 5 is minus 25, and minus 5 times minus x is plus 5x, right? Let me rearrange this equation now such that I can write 8x plus 2x minus 24 minus 6 equal to 2x plus 5x plus 4 minus 25, right? Now when you simplify this equation, you can write 8x plus 2x equal to 10x, and minus 24 minus 6 equal to minus 30, and 2x plus 5x equal to 7x, and plus 4 minus 25 equal to minus 21, right? Now this is the equation we want to solve. For that, let's bring the terms containing variable to one side and constant to the other side, right? For that, let me transpose 7x to the other side. When I do that, it becomes minus 7x, right? So the equation now becomes 10x minus 30 minus 7x equal to minus 21. Let me rearrange this equation such that I can write it as 10x minus 7x minus 30 equal to minus 21. 7x minus 10, sorry, 10x minus 7x equal to 3x, right? So the equation becomes 3x minus 30 equal to minus 21. Now I can transpose this minus 30 to the other side. When you do that, it becomes plus 30. It means 3x equal to minus 21 plus 30, right? That is equal to 9. So 3x equal to 9 is the equation. Now let me transpose this 3 to the other side. So it is going to divide number 9. So I can write the equation as x equal to 9 by 3, that is equal to 3. So to answer the question, x equal to 3 is the solution to the given equation, right? The next question is 3 times n minus 4 plus 2 times 4n minus 5 equal to 5 times n plus 2 plus 16. We want to solve this equation. Let me first write this in expanded form. 3 times n is 3n, and 3 times minus 4 is minus 12, plus 2 times 4n is plus 8n, and 2 times minus 5 is minus 10, right? That is equal to 5 times n is 5n plus 5 times 2 is 10 plus 16, right? Let me rearrange this equation such that I can write it as 3n plus 8n minus 12 minus 10 equal to 5n plus 10 plus 16, right? Now I can club these terms, right? The terms containing n's and constants, right? When I do that, the equation becomes 11n minus 22 equal to 5n plus 26, right? Now I can bring this guy to the other side. When I do that, when I transpose 5n to LHS, it is going to become minus 5n, right? So the equation now can be written as 11n minus 22 minus 5n equal to 26, right? Now let me rearrange this equation such that I can write it as 11n minus 5n minus 22 equal to 26. 11n minus 5n equal to 6n. So the equation becomes 6n minus 22 equal to 26. Now I can transpose minus 22 to the other side. When I do that, it becomes plus 22. It means 6n equal to 26 plus 22. I can write it as 6n equal to 48, right? Now I can transpose number 6 to the other side so that it is going to divide 48, and the equation can be written as n equal to 48 by 6, that is equal to 8. So to answer the question, n equal to 8 is the solution to the given equation, right? I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Learn to Score. Thank you.